Hi everyone, this is Bruno Souza here for Code for Life, and I'm here at this beautiful park here called the Crown Fountain here in Chicago. And you know, the Blue Beauty in the back over there, that's where the JavaScript Group meeting I'm going to is happening. And you know, I was walking here and this blonde lady with a blue coat passed it by me, and she was running and she said something amazing. She was talking to someone in the phone, and she said, you know, you gotta do it. No one is gonna do it for you. I thought that's so amazing. I said, I'm gonna record a video right now. And because that is very true. I mean, this has everything to do with your developer career, right? Take these words to heart. No one is gonna do it for you. You have to do it yourself. Really, that's about taking responsibility. That's about, you know, a lot of times we kind of think that, oh, my boss should do this for me. Oh, the company that I work for should promote those things. You know, you know, I can't grow in my career because my company doesn't invest in technology, or I can't do those things. I can't learn new stuff because my boss doesn't want to use new things. I mean, there's so many ways that we can just kind of blame someone else, that we can just tell that someone else is responsible for our career, and they are not. That is the first thing you got to understand to actually get an amazing developer career, is that no one is going to do it for you. You have to do it yourself, right? So bring this to heart. Understand, look around you, see how you can do things, how you can change things, how you can improve what you are, who you are, right? You know, you can't control anyone. You can't control your company. You can't control your boss. You can't control how people do things, but you can control how you do things, right? So understand that that's your responsibility. Understand that that's something that you gotta do. Understand that whatever it is, whatever difficulty you're going through, whatever problem you have, be it at work, of technology, be it a problem with your wife, with your kids, be it a problem with your boss, with your colleagues, doesn't matter, right? You are the one that can do something about it, right? So take this responsibility and understand that no one is gonna do it for you. You have to do it yourself. You know, wisdom from the streets, they're very, very important for our careers. Okay, thanks for watching.